For my study and quiz tool, I used Quizlet because it's my personal favorite. So this is the homepage of my Quizlet. So you can see different quizzes that I've studied or I've made. And I really like it because I can access it anywhere. You can access it on your phone, computer, iPad, any electronic device. And you can also send quizzes you made to friends. You can send other people's Quizlets to friends. You can use the search thing and you can search for other Quizlets. So like I like it because I can search for quizzes other people have made for classes I'm in and certain topics. So I'm going to do for mine the story problems and their number sentences. So I click on it. And I also like because you have so many different options when studying. You can do flashcard, learn, write, spell, test, match, gravity. My personal favorite is learn and write because I feel like I memorize information the best when I actually have to type it out. And with learn, there's many different aspects of it. So I like that. So how it works, you can do flashcards. So by clicking on flashcards, you can options, you can start with whatever. So I want to start with the definition. You can do audio. You can shuffle it. So you see the question, you click, and there's the answer. Go to the next question, click.
Bill has 4 cupcakes. Vic has 2 cupcakes.
There's the
How
answer.
many cupcakes do they have in all? What is the number sentence?
And then there's learn. So learn, it asks me the question, and then I click what answer I think it is. So I'm going to do this. It's correct. Move on. So let's say I thought it was this one. Well, it's wrong, so I don't get that one correct. Then don't get it correct. So it'll go through all of them. Let me just go through all of them. So now I have 3 remaining. I'm familiar with 7, mastered 0. So it goes through it until you master them all. So the repetition really helps you understand the material and know it. So then now, because I'm familiar with this one, now I have to type the answer instead of doing the multiple choice. So I got that correct. Still familiar with it. Now this one I wasn't familiar with, so I still have to do the multiple choice version of it. Now I'm familiar with it. This is one I was familiar with. In addition, you can go to the options and you can click what you want to start with, what type of questions they ask you. So then write is where you literally just type the answer. And it goes through till you get all of them right. Then spell, this isn't really used for my topic. Test, you can make tests over it, so it really helps you practice. So you can create your test, how many questions you want, what type of questions, what you want to start with. Match. So this is a game which a lot of students like because it's fun. So you want to match the correct definition with the term. So, and it times you, which is cool. And then so I have a time. And this, you can also compete against other people with this, which a lot of people like. Then we have a gravity, which is another game. So what do you want to answer with? Level of difficulty. So it's gonna ask me what it is. And then it goes away. Another thing you can do with this is if you click this, you can customize it so you can make it your own, see different scores, print it, combine it with another set, export it. You can also add it to different classes. So if you're in a class, you can add it to it. And you can add it to different folders, which I like because it helps me organize all my information.